Hey there, it's Thilo from the Parashift product team, and I'm proud to present to you today the new way to configure new fields, making it very, very easy to extract additional stuff, like all kinds of stuff from a document. So let's jump into the product. Let's assume we have these contract terminations, like a couple of them. And as always, we have a standard ready for that, extracting the sender address, receiver, subject, contract number, etc. But we want more. We want more fields extracted from this document. The way we can go about it, we can just jump over into the configuration where we see now again sender, receiver, and so on. But what I can do now is use our new prompt configuration to just create a new section and basically start with just typing away and configuring our fields. I pre-configured something here. I just wanted to have some general questions for the document, things like the termination in due time, or seeing if there's what's the earliest possible termination date. And as soon as you just hit that, you can also run a test to see how good these prompts and questions would perform against your document. And you can see here that without any training required, it's super easy to extract this information. I can also show how you would create a new field. So again, it's just about some general questions. This would now also work on tables and other things, but I'll keep it simple with some general questions. I can just add a new field. For example, ask for a summary. I can now fine-tune this and say, I want to summarize this document in 2 sentences. For example, let's add another field. This time I maybe want to just have the job title of the signer, and I would go and say, okay, job title of the signer, and again fine-tune the prompt to say, what is the job title of the signer of this document? I can test this again, and just by the click of a button, I'll get feedback if my configuration was successful or not. In this case, you can see here, getting a summary, also getting the job title. You can also ask a lot more complicated question. Currently, the whole thing is optimized to be fast and reliable, but if you have like very contextual, complicated questions, we also have a try harder mode, which then will take a little longer to process the document, but use a lot stronger model in the background and give you hopefully even better results than this. So once I configured this, I can rerun the thing on my other documents, and as you can see here, we are perfectly combining existing swarm learning fields like the sender and receiver with our new questions and summarizing the document, extracting the title. Obviously not extracting the title as if it's on here, but like just extracting this information. And all it took to create these new fields was like 2 minutes of effort, and we have this. So this is the new way, easy way to configure fields. You can go a lot deeper. There's a lot more fine-tuning possible in the background, working with more complicated data types or rules, sets, etc. behind this. But on the surface, it's very, very simple. Create a field, give it a name. Additionally, if you want, give it a prompt, and it will already do what you want in most cases. So, hope you found this as interesting as I personally find it, and yeah, see you around in one of my next videos. Have a nice one. Bye bye.